We are up here at Oswego Speedway as the Super Dirt Week is getting close. Jeff Hachmann is next to us. We are in the Super Dirt Week Pace truck, and we are going to take a little ride around the place. And Jeff, first of all, man, you've been on the phone a lot. You are about as busy as, what is it, the one-armed paper hanger or something they used to say, something like that?
Pretty, it's been a busy day. Busy day, but that's good. That means tomorrow should be less busy, I hope.
We're hoping anyway. Wanted to let you know about some events. Sunday, the kickoff party at the bowling alley right here at the Lighthouse Lanes. What time does that get going, Jeff, and what does that entail?
It starts at 6 o'clock, and it's free pizza and wings on Super Dirt Week, drink specials, bowling specials. It's really become a staple for anybody who's already loaded in the campground. And here, we really wanted to expand and bring some people in from Oswego and Oswego County. It's free to everyone. You don't have to have a race ticket to be there.
Nice. Again, that's happening on Sunday. Tuesday, nice event. This is new, the block party at City Hall.
Oh, yeah. We're shutting down West 1st Street. We're celebrating the 4 champions. We'll have the 4 champions cars on display. We'll have a welcome address from the mayor. We'll have Q&As with the drivers. Q&As with the drivers. We'll have autograph sessions with the drivers, and something really cool when you're celebrating the champions. Everybody knows who won last year, Stuart Friesen, and everybody knows that he's rehabbing hard and looking to get back as soon as he can. He's actually going to be there, so that's kind of cool.
Stewie, we're thinking about you, man. We know you got a long way back, so we're praying for you and hoping you get back real soon. Of course, Wednesday, one of the more popular events, the parade. Somebody just sent me a message actually earlier today. How do I get in that if I want? Can anybody do it? I mean, I'm sure we have to have some kind of a limit, don't we?
Yeah, I mean, we got to keep it to about 50 race cars, but now we got the fire truck, and it's got some tracks that got their pace vehicles that are in it, and we have there's local sponsors, and the Oswego Visitors Bureau wants to be a part of it. So if they want to be a part of it, I'm guessing you're saying a driver?
Yes.
Yeah, a driver.
Drivers,
they just need to get with Dean or the tech crew when they show up on site, and we'll get it all set up.
Of course, we want to thank Raffalo's Importing. I know you go there a lot too. They're going to have a booth here at Super Dirt Week, and of course, not like the big box places. You can get all kinds of stuff made fresh. Let's see. So as we look around here, I can't think of much more than maybe some barriers that have to go up. I mean, I hope you saw the video earlier with the track, but we look like we're in really good shape because now the tent is up, the inspection area is up. What's left at this point? I see the camp spots are even marked out.
There's a lot of grass on this property.
Okay.
For those of you that went to Rolling Wheels, you remember you always drove in the fresh cut grass. So
not always.
We got well, maybe before my time.
Yeah, before you got there.
Before my time, maybe there wasn't one, but I can tell you, I've mowed it myself. So we got to cut out some of the windows on these merch trailers. We got to put up some road signs here. We got to put up all the camping signs.
But a lot of them are up. I mean, you guys can see them.
The camping road signs.
Oh, the road signs. Gotcha.
So the road signs are important and make it easy for the fan to know, okay, I'm in row C,
right?
And and I'm spot number 22. But more importantly, when it comes to a mass gathering permit and safety and 911 and fire, if something were to happen, they need to be able to know where to go, and that's what those road signs are for.
E26, they know where it is. It's like a big game of Battleship or something.
I mean, so we got some mowing, we got to put some rope up, we got to put signs up. There's there's still some work to do, but we're in a good spot. So,
Nice. So we're going to pull out on a City Line Road, I believe is what this is out here, right?
City Line, yeah.
So here's Gate 6. This is where you guys will be signing in and getting all your credentials and everything, and I can't wait. And like I told Jeff, I'm going to be doing stuff in the afternoon and have stuff for you at night. Because of my recent strokes there, I'm not going to be dodging cars on pit road this year, but hopefully next year I'll be back on down there. But we're going to have lots of good stories for you. So here we can see where we are. We're right at Gate 6 and City Line Road. We're going to go down to the camp area, right, Jeff? I think we got about 5 more minutes left if you want to keep chatting here. How's the stress and anxiety level? Because I mean, just when I was sitting with you for 2 minutes, you did like 5 different things. This has got to be tough for you and everybody that works for Dirt.
Well, I jinxed myself. I was saying we were in such a good spot yesterday, so today I got bombarded.
Oh, is that what happened?
No, but stress level is actually good. We are in a good spot. We prepped and planned. We've done this for years. So as long as everybody's doing their part, you know, it works out well. But there's curveballs. I mean,
right.
you know, like you know, I lost my camper today. And got a new one. I didn't lose it for good, but I got a new one. You know, that took a couple hours out of the day to get that transferred over. So, you know, you never know what the curveball is going to be. But everything is good. You see the you see them.
Yeah, I can see all the golf carts are lined up over there because we're just coming into Albany Street, right?
This is Albany Street. This will be shut down for the raid. There's the fire extinguisher. There's the fire hydrant. That's where they get all the water that keeps the track all groomed and nice.
And they did do a little bit of that today. I did see the water truck in the infield. Now we're pulling into the main camping area. This was one of the big areas that really got a lot of upgrades over the last 6-7 years. When did they? Because 16 was the first year we were here,
16,
right?
16, yeah. That's when we got the upgrades. I mean, you call it the main area because it's probably the nicest area. It's electric and sewer and water.
Yeah.
But there's only 132 spots, and there's 1,100 spots on property. So depends on what your version of main area is. Because I would call the green lot up there probably the main area. Because that has the most camping. You know, right here, this is where you drive in. This is where the...
this is fairly new, right?
This is called the yellow lot. No, this was here in 2016 also.
It was. Okay, I guess I never got back here then.
2016, so, and this is where this is where sponsors and platinum drivers, you know, promoters. This is where they all stay. So
this is where I park too. So yeah, a lot of spots in here. Great location. And you know, like we said, Super Dirt Week Online is how you can find out more. So if you haven't gotten your tickets are still available, right?
Yep, tickets are still available. SuperDirtWeek.com.
Camping spots?
Camping spots, we're sold out.
Okay.
So,
when do we sell out usually?
We're usually sold out by, I would say, by June.
Oh, that early?
Yeah.
Okay, so if you want them for next year,
yeah.
Could they talk about that now, or do you have to wait till it's over and see who renews?
Well, you got to wait until people renew, and then they become available towards the end of the year. But you know, this is, you know, I like to tell everybody, including my staff, this race has been going on for 53 years on Columbus Day weekend. So the fact that you waited the whole year long, last minute.
Okay. So when should they start to maybe get in touch with you guys to talk about?
The end of this year.
The end of this year. Okay, so don't wait till 2026 starts.
You know you're coming. So.
Okay, so let's do a quick roundup. Kickoff party again Sunday at Lighthouse Lanes. Bring your bowling balls, guys. This is the nicest bowling alley I've ever seen, and I've been to a lot of bowling alleys over the year. Tuesday, they got the block party at City Hall from 4 to 8. Wednesday, of course, is the parade. And where does that start? Where does it end?
Starts at Gate 6 and it ends at Gate 2, but it goes all the way through downtown. You know, we'll go down the backside of the Speedway there, come out, take a right on 10th Street. Take a left on Utica, go over the bridge, take a right on West First, take a right on 104, take a right on City Line, and come right back to Gate 2.
What time does it start?
Starts at 12 o'clock sharp.
12 o'clock sharp, guys. High noon is a good time to do that. Jeff, I appreciate your time today, man. Thank you. And it's nice to, I love that we get a chance to do this every year, a little quiet before the storm. And as always, guys, make sure to subscribe. Check out the YouTube channel. We'll be here. We'll be doing lots of cool stuff. And if you have any questions for Jeff, send me an email or put something in the messages here, and I'll make sure I get it taken care of. Jeff, enjoy the rest of your very, very, very busy day.
Well, I will. It's just giving me a great time to drive around and see what we got done today.
There you go. So now you know. So this served dual purpose. Guys, again, make sure to subscribe. Turn on the notifications. Fulton Speedway this weekend. Remember, they start tomorrow night. So Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Super Dirt Week. This is the best time all year long to live here in Central New York.